Pour olive oil directly onto a banana, the simple, homemade skincare recipe everyone is talking about. Pour olive oil directly onto a banana like this. If someone walks into your kitchen while you're making this, they might think you've completely lost your mind. But don't judge it until you've seen the final result. After just 15 minutes, your skin can feel noticeably softer, smoother, and refreshed. Make sure you stay until the very end because the fourth ingredient is the one almost nobody expects. It completely changes how this homemade mixture works and helps combine exfoliation with deep moisturization. If you enjoy easy DIY beauty recipes using common household ingredients, you're going to love this one. Let's get started. First, take one ripe banana and peel it completely. Place the banana into a clean bowl. Using a fork, mash it slowly until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. Don't rush this step. The smoother the banana is, the easier it spreads across the skin and the more evenly the other ingredients blend into the mixture. Bananas are often used in homemade skincare because they naturally contain nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, which help support healthy-looking skin. Their soft texture also makes them an excellent natural base for DIY face and body masks. Now it's your turn. Comment below with your city and let me know where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing viewers from around the world. Once the banana is completely smooth, add 1 full tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and vitamin. It helps soften dry skin and leaves the mixture feeling rich and creamy. As you stir it into the banana, you'll notice the texture becoming much smoother and easier to apply. Continue mixing until the oil is fully incorporated with the mashed banana. Next comes the ingredient that surprises almost everyone. Add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Many people raise an eyebrow when they hear this ingredient, but it has become popular in many DIY beauty recipes shared online. It gives the mixture a fresh, cooling sensation and changes the overall texture. If you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to perform a small patch test first before applying any homemade mixture more broadly. Now it's time for the final ingredient. Add 1 full tablespoon of granulated sugar. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant. As you gently massage it over the skin, the tiny sugar crystals help remove surface buildup and leave the skin feeling smoother. Many people enjoy using sugar scrubs because they help polish away rough, dry areas while allowing the moisturizing ingredients to coat the skin more evenly. After adding the sugar, begin mixing everything together slowly. Continue stirring until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and evenly combined. The sugar should be distributed throughout the mixture, with no pools of oil or large banana pieces remaining. The final texture should be thick enough to stay on the skin without dripping while still spreading easily. Before we move on, comment yes if you're going to try this recipe at home. Now let's apply the mixture. Using clean fingers or a soft cosmetic brush, spread an even layer over the areas where your skin feels rough or dry. Many people choose to use homemade exfoliating masks on places such as the elbows, knees, legs, or other areas with dry skin. If you plan to use it on your face, be especially gentle and avoid the eyes and lips. Massage the mixture into the skin using slow, circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. There's no need to scrub aggressively. Gentle movements are enough to let the sugar exfoliate while the banana and olive oil coat the skin. Once you've finished massaging, leave the mixture on the skin for 15 minutes. During this time, simply relax and allow the ingredients to sit on the surface. When the time is up, rinse everything away with lukewarm water. Avoid very hot water as it can leave skin feeling dry. Pat your skin dry gently with a clean towel instead of rubbing. Many people find that their skin feels softer immediately after exfoliating and moisturizing. If you enjoy this type of homemade skincare routine, you can repeat it occasionally as part of your regular self-care routine, provided it suits your skin. If you experience irritation or discomfort, stop using it. Remember that homemade beauty recipes are not medical treatments, and results can vary depending on your skin type. Consistency, gentle skin care, and proper sun protection are all important parts of maintaining healthy-looking skin. So what do you think of this simple DIY recipe? Rate this tip from 0 to 10 in the comments, and let me know whether you'd give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.